Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will be teaching you how to create a smooth slow motion and fast motion in Premiere Pro. So first of all, we need to import for the video. Okay, and you may zoom in a little bit. So in this video, we train to create slow motion effect in the beginning and later on for the fast motion for the ending part. So we train to open up a little bit here, the V1, the video. We need to higher up the video. Until you may see the frame, the keyframe is over here. Okay. For this part, we train to do for the slow motion effect. So first, we need to right click to the corner and choose time remapping and select speed. Okay, you have the speed lines over here. So if the higher, more than 100% is the fast motion, and if you less than 100% is the slow motion. So we trying going to 100% is the normal speed. So here, trying to add a keyframe here, just by clicking here. And now you might be lower down. Little bit to 50%. And you may pull it little bit to make it more smooth. So from 100% down to 50%. So you can see there's a smooth line was over here. Down, yes. And now from here, we train to increase back to the normal speed 100%. So by clicking here again, the keyframe, and just pull up a little bit to 100%. And put it here to make it smooth. So here is it. This is the slow motion effect. It's quite very smooth slow motion, and this is make it your video very perfect. It's very nice. And we trying to increase for the fast motion by clicking here again. Add your keyframe over here and pull it up now. Pull up to the speed that you want. I just roughly about 170, 180%, and I pulled it to make it smooth. So from here, 100%, and we increase the speed. Yes, it's very fast now, and we're trying to lower down. We're trying to lower down to the normal speed. So clicking here again, and then we just lower down 100% for the normal speed. So put it to make it smooth here. Yes, that's it. So thanks so much for watching for the video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial. So I see you on the next video.